Hello, Boilermakers. Greetings from the CCO, Center for Career Opportunities. Did you know that a lot of students who thought they knew what they wanted to major in or a career to pursue changed their mind? We're very helpful when it comes to that and offer individual appointments virtually online as well as quick chats. So the individual appointments can be about career decision making, choosing a major on your side. The quick chats can be about maybe helping you with your resume or navigating our CCO, my CCO platform. Some of you know what you want to do and you just want to connect to employers or professional schools. We have a lot of technology solutions to help with that. So you can sign up for Boiler Connect to actually talk to someone or visit cco.purdue.edu to access all those materials I mentioned. When you're there, click on Student, then click on what we offer and you'll see details about it. Also, we have 3 seminars specifically for students who are online this semester to help you really see how my CCO services and resources can be helpful to you. So look at the calendar on our website, cco.purdue.edu. In the meantime, have a great semester. Boiler up.